Good morning, dear children. Take out your EVS book, page number 15, chapter 4, Caring for our body. Caring for our body. In this chapter, we learn how to take care of our body. There are different ways of taking care of our body. So we learn about those things in this chapter. Okay, so let's start. Our body helps us to do different things. So we should take proper care of our body. We should take a bath daily. We should use good soap for bathing. We should protect our eyes from dirt and dust. We should splash water on our eyes to clean them. Okay, first I'll explain you this much and again we'll read another line. Okay, so see, our body helps us to do different things. Our body does many different things. Means our body does different types of things. No? So we should take care of our body. We should take care of our body. So what are those things? We'll learn now. Okay? See, we should take a bath daily. We should take a bath daily. Means we should take a bath daily. Okay? We should bath every day. We should use good soap for bathing. And while bathing, we should use a good soap. Okay? Soap. This is, see, the boy. You can see here a boy, he is taking bath. So he is using a soap also. No? So we should take good soap for bathing. Okay? We should protect our eyes from dirt and dust. And we should take care of our eyes. We should splash water on our eyes to clean them. See, you can see in this picture, there is a boy who is splashing water on his eyes. Why? To clean his eyes. Okay? To clean our eyes, we should splash water on our eyes to clean them. Okay? So, see, first it is said we should take bath every day and we should use a good soap for bathing. And second it is said that we should take care of our eyes, and to clean our eyes we should splash water on our eyes. Okay, we should splash water on our eyes. Now let's read next line, another line. We should clean our ears with the help of earbuds. So see, we should take care of our ears also. We should clean our ears. So we should clean our ears with the help of earbuds. Okay, we get an earbuds. We should use that earbuds to clean our ears. We should not just put any other sharp things into our ears. It can harm our ears. So we should always use earbuds to clean our ears. Okay. We should wash our hands before and after eating something. So see, you can see in this picture a boy, he is washing his hand. So we should always wash our hands before and after eating something. Before eating also we should wash our hands, and after we finish eating we should wash our hands again. Okay, we should wash our hands before and after eating something. Okay, Next page will read tomorrow and explain. I'll explain it tomorrow. Okay, today I'll explain you this much only. Okay, so what we understood is here that we should take care of our body. Okay, we should take care of our body because our body helps us to do different things. Our body helps us to do different things. So how can we take care of our body? We can take care of our body by taking bath every day. We should take a bath every day and we should use a good soap for bathing. Okay, and also we should clean our eyes. We should splash water on our eyes. Okay, and we should clean our ears also with the help of earbuds. Okay, we should clean our ears with the help of earbuds, and we should wash our hands before and after eating something. Okay, so I'll explain this much only. Remaining chapter will continue tomorrow. Okay, and I'll send you the spellings. Okay, I'll send you the spellings from this chapter 4, which you write in your EVS copy and you learn those spellings. Okay, I'll send you the spellings from this chapter which you will write and you will learn it. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you.